Flow and process optimization, how to eliminate bottlenecks and boost efficiency. Are your projects constantly hitting roadblocks? Many organizations mistakenly believe more staff is the answer to delivery bottlenecks. But what if the real solution lies in transforming your processes, not just expanding your team? In today's fast-paced digital world, delivery bottlenecks and misaligned teams are crippling progress. Simply expanding your staff often masks deeper operational problems, leading to wasted resources and missed opportunities. This approach fails to address the root causes of delays. It's time to move beyond temporary fixes and implement strategic process improvements for lasting impact. True efficiency comes from optimizing flow, not just adding more hands to the deck. Discover flow and process, optimization, accelerating delivery through agile precision. This framework is designed to revolutionize how your organization operates, aligning workflows with critical business goals. It provides a clear roadmap for identifying and eliminating performance barriers. Get your products and services to market faster, consistently outperforming the competition. This isn't just about speed, it's about precision and sustainable growth. Learn to detect and resolve critical performance issues within your software delivery operations. Our white paper introduces the powerful 4 Ds: discovery, design, development, and deployment. These steps provide a structured approach to process enhancement. Overcome resistance to new systems with proven change management techniques for successful adoption. This framework helps you develop high-performing teams and achieve crucial stakeholder alignment. It's about fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Build a compelling business case for modernization that resonates with every level of your organization. Implement sustainable delivery practices that ensure long-term success and consistent results. Stop patching problems and start optimizing your entire delivery ecosystem. Your organization can achieve sustainable, impactful results through optimized delivery flow implementation. Don't let inefficiencies hold you back any longer. Download Flow and Process. Optimization, accelerating delivery through agile precision today. Begin transforming your team's delivery methods and unlock your organization's full potential. Visit our website and grab your copy.